Protecting retirement with insurance. Wow, what a great topic to talk about. Insurance. One of my favorite things. Not really. Oh gosh, when I hear that insurance word, my stomach starts to gurgle. But it is a part of our five critical elements, and it is an important thing to talk about. So, Grant, welcome back to Elements in Focus. I have so much fun doing these with you on a weekly basis. We're going to talk about probably what we call the good, the bad, the ugly of life, and that is our, fourth of the five critical elements. That's risk management and life happens. And so, insurance to most people is kind of like that nasty B word, the budget. Most people don't want to talk about budget and they don't want to talk about insurance. So, what do we mean when we talk about protecting retirement with insurance?
Yeah, and it's a this is a loaded topic here, Aaron, because I know a lot of us don't like the the outcome of being sold a product, especially from the insurance world. Right now, insurance has its place, and there are phenomenal tools out there, so it's never the insurance fault, right? It's just the people that help us get the tools we need from the insurance companies. But here's what I'll tell you: using insurance in retirement can be very valuable. It can be absolutely incredible. And it's not always with traditional what we call insurance products. And here's what I mean. Putting insurance in place in retirement can look like electing a spousal benefit on a pension plan, right? That's
Mhm.
insurance. You're protecting your spouse and their ability to have the income from your pension plan from your company even after you pass. And then that's, of course, that's going to take a lot of analysis and evaluation because where there's going to have to be health metrics involved, there's going to have to be longevity metrics involved, et cetera, right? Protecting retirement with insurance can also be with Social Security, right? Deciding when you take it. That fixed income is an annuity program, which is an insurance, right? It's an insurance mindset. But when we talk about insurance on the personal side, that can be in the form of using additional products from the insurance world to create a long term income stream that has, again, spousal benefits. But also, when we get into more complicated estate planning cases, it can be okay, hey, how do we use an irrevocable life insurance trust, for example, to help protect my estate from owing significant taxes when I pass? Because
Mhm.
these death tax are lowering over time, right? We saw a season where Aaron they skyrocketed up, but now they're coming back down. And so, how do we use these really important tools to help us protect our estates and our families? And lastly, the one that's often talked about, and from our perspective in our industry, especially in retirement, is long-term care insurance, right?
Yep.
You and I have seen that product evolve. My goodness, over the last 2 decades, and now it's very different from where when we started in the industry. And
Mhm.
how do we evaluate that? Is it necessary? Right? We have to look at what the Social Security Administration says about the average stay, which is about 2.5 to 3 years in a long term care facility. Right? How are we building the appropriate amount of protection for our families with that type of insurance? And that's the other caveat too. You have to evaluate cost because every one of the insurance products I just went through has a cost. Even the pension benefits, you're going to get less on a monthly basis because they have to stretch that out over two lifetimes. Same with Social Security, right? You have to play with the timing. And then when it comes to buying products to supplement your estate and or provide care for you in a facility, there are high costs that come with that. So we have to do a cost benefit analysis on what it takes to save on the taxes or your portfolios for your heirs in order to put these types of protections in place. So there's a lot of ways and caveats we can engage in this conversation, but I would say those are the primary four, Aaron.
Primary four, you're exactly right. And I'll throw one more in there that is very cheap, but some people don't even think about that. And it's a nice gray overcast day here in Lafayette, Indiana. And so if I were to walk outside, I'd want to have my umbrella with me to protect me from the rain. There is also umbrella insurance coverage that can be added to your normal property and casualty, and just making sure that you have all of those things reviewed annually. house values have gone up significantly in the last couple years. Does your property and casualty have enough replacement value so if your house had a catastrophic event that it could be rebuilt without you having to come out of money out of your pocket? Or on that same property, someone has a catastrophic event. Do you have that umbrella coverage to help that cover anything over and above your homeowner's policy is not going to cover? That's how you start to protect your retirement assets with insurance as well. So, Grant, great points there. There's a lot to evaluate when we're looking at insurance and making sure that you have proper coverage in place. If you have questions, as always, reach out to us at 800-928-4001. Schedule your complimentary next steps meeting with one of the advisors on our team. We are more able, ready, competent to walk you through your unique financial journey. And if you do have just additional questions and you want to email them to us, send it to us at talktofeg@yourlifeafterwork.com. We will answer those questions to the best of our ability. And again, if you want to schedule a meeting, there's several ways to do it. You can click on the QR code or scan the QR code on the screen. Our advisor team is here, ready, and willing to help you out. Thank you for watching Elements in Focus. Have a blessed day.
Hi, I'm Sam Neff, Certified Financial Planner with the Financial Enhancement Group. If you're interested where you stand personally, please click the link below and you can create a profile, and a member of our team will reach out to talk about where you stand within the 5 critical elements on your financial journey. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.